Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Zakia and welcome to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. Today we're going to be making Portuguese chicken, which is a quick and easy meal option. So stay tuned. Did you know that Portuguese chicken is also called Peri Peri Chicken, and this dish originated in South Africa? This dish has many variations, many recipes, but I'm going to show you my way and my method of making this amazing dish. I'm making this as a quick Sunday meal because let's face it, nobody likes spending too much time in the kitchen on a Sunday. The spices for this dish were later imported to countries like Portugal via Angola and the East via Mozambique. Okay, so enough of the history lesson. Let's get started. So here I've got about 5 pieces of leg quarters. To these pieces of leg quarters, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, so that's crushed garlic. Then I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of fine salt, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and about a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix this all together. Take a deep based pot and add in about 2 tablespoons of butter ghee, and I'm just allowing that to melt a little. Once the butter ghee has melted, I'm going to add in my leg quarters, and I've just lowered the heat to medium heat. And don't forget to drizzle in all that sauce that's left over in the pan, or in the bowl that you marinated the chicken rather. Close the lid and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. Now while the chicken is cooking, I've added in about 1 cooking spoon of butter ghee into a pot. And this is to make the sauce for the Portuguese chicken. To that, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of Nando's Peri Peri sauce. And this is the mild sauce. Then I'm going to add in about 250 ml of fresh cream. And about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Give this a quick stir. Then add in about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Leave the sauce on medium heat to thicken. You can see it is still a bit runny. Once the chicken has cooked halfway, You're going to pour in the sauce that you made earlier over the chicken. And allow this to cook until the sauce mixes well with the chicken and thickens in the pot. Now at this stage, the chicken can also be placed in a casserole dish and put into an oven 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm just getting some French fries ready. This is almost ready. And I'm going to leave this for another 10 minutes just so that it gets nice and creamy. Now to plate this, I'm going to first place a leg quarter. Then I'm going to get some cream over it, some gravy. Garnish this with some parsley. Add in some French fries. Let's just neaten the French fries a bit. And then to this, I'm going to add in some chips spice. And there you have it. Your Portuguese chicken and fries is ready to be served as a Sunday quick lunch. This dish is hearty, satisfying, and warms the soul with its amazing flavors. Try it and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!